Oh,
You ought to be phone.
why is he doing all that music?
Why did it take me the all go to him? We're gonna change. Who's domestic violence oriented? Oh. He's got domestic violence.
Good morning, Judge. Hello? Can someone hear me? Good morning, Judge.
Morning, Mr. Glenn. How are you doing today?
Fine, sir.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. How are you?
Good, Your Honor. Yourself?
I'm doing well. Which case are you here on, Mr. Gordon?
That's the Deontay Lane defense is requesting an adjournment.
What's the defense?
Hannah Barron.
Why are they requesting an adjournment, you know?
They need more time to review the discovery. We had some video evidence that I got last week from the Detroit Police Department that they need more time with.
You got it last week, when did you turn it over to?
So it's on a external drive. So I told them to get me an external drive last Thursday, and they didn't get it to me until I think Monday.
So you got it to them Monday?
Yeah,
When is the exam?
tomorrow.
They called my cousin yesterday and said I'd be here yesterday. You ain't got no room here? On the other face, man?
Wayne County Jail, what's your name?
Come on, Powell.
Okay. Mr. Landon, you're here on Harris. Who are you here for, Mr. Bradford?
Good morning, Judge. I'm here for a Manfred Thomas for a PCC.
How about you, Mr. Davenport? Have to unmute yourself, sir.
All right, I'm here for Mr. Kevin LaFleur. It's a adjournment PCC.
Okay. As soon as the APA gets here, how about you, Ms. Garner? Who are you here on?
Harris with Mr. Glenda.
Okay, so we can do Harris.
He was found incompetent, Judge.
Call the case.
Calling case number 2305-606801. People of the state of Michigan versus Raynell Harris. Defendant is charged in count 1. Assault with intent to do great harm or less than murder by strangulation. Count 2. Assault with dangerous weapon. Defendant has a visual offender third defense notice.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Elizabeth Dornick appearing on behalf of the people, P79420.
Good morning, Judge. Richard Glander for Mr. Harris. If he's not on the call, I'll waive his appearance, Judge, for this proceeding.
For the waive the defendant's presence, what's going on?
Judge, Mr. Harris was referred for competency. We recently received a report indicating that he is incompetent. However, over time, he could be restored back to competency. Other than that, I'll defer to the people.
Yes, Judge, I would stipulate to that report dated June 6th by Graham Parker, social worker, and Lauren Jayasuriya, also social worker, certified forensic examiners with the Forensic Center.
Okay. The court will refer the defendant for treatment, and we'll set a review date for September 28th at 8:30.
Thank you.
That was September 28th, 8:30. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Elizabeth, call me later.
Okay, thank you.
Morning.
Come on, sir. How you doing?
Yeah.
How was your vacation, Jeff?
Good, I'm going again next week.
You deserve it. You deserve it. A month off.
Good morning, Ms. Jones.
Good morning, Judge.
All right, I think we have Mr. Davenport ready for you on the floor.
Okay.
Calling case number 2205-706-801. People of State Michigan versus Kevin LaFleur. Defendant is charged in count 1, on the page of first degree. Count 2, assault with a dangerous weapon. Count 3, domestic violence. Count 4, assault or assault with battery. Defendant has a habitual offender second offense notice.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. Curtis Davenport, P82678, on behalf of Mr. Kevin LaFleur, who I believe was trying, but if he's having issues, I'm asking to waive the court's waive his appearance for this court hearing.
For to waive the defendant's presence, what's your pleasure?
Your Honor, at this time, we'd like to set it for an exam, and we are still awaiting video discovery, and we have submitted discovery order for the judge's signature.
Okay, that's not a problem. The court will continue to plead not guilty and set this matter for preliminary examination. Is your client in custody?
No, Your Honor, he's not.
The count is July 12th at 9:15.
That should be fine, Your Honor. Thank you. And then I actually have one matter. I'm sorry. I actually have one other issue on his case that I wanted to see if we can address, and that is he let me know that his tether conditions. He said he's out right now. His tether allows him to be out for work from 5 to 7 p.m. He works
I can barely hear
at
you,
Detroit
Mr.
Quality
Davenport.
Services. Precision. I'm sorry. Let me see if I could affect that. Can you hear me better now?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. He right now his tether requirements let him out from 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. However, he said he works at Detroit Quality Services Precision. That's with Ford Motor Company, but he works at night. And so he was asking if his tether requirements can be changed from 5 p.m. to 7 a.m.
I'm sorry, what's the hours he's asking for again?
5 p.m. to 7 a.m. as opposed to 5 a.m. to 7 p.m. He has a night shift.
Okay. Ms. Drain, any objection to that?
No, I have no objection to that.
All right, that's fine. Send me a proposed order to that effect.
Okay.
And Mr. Davenport, Mr. Davenport, I have already sent an email to the officer in charge requesting that digital discovery. As soon as I get it, I'll send it to you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Mr. Bradford.
I'm ready, Judge.
Okay, we're ready on Thomas.
Calling case number 2305-746901. People of the state of Michigan versus Manfred Thomas. Defendant is charged in count 1, weapons, firearm, possession by felon. Count 2, weapons carried concealed. Count 3, weapons, felony firearm. Count 4, domestic violence. Defendant has a habitual offender third offense notice.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Judge, to you and your staff. Good morning, Ms. Drain. Cody Bradford with Neighborhood Defender Service, P85944 on behalf of Mr. Manfred. Judge, this is the first PCC. I would request to waive Mr. Manfred's appearance for today's hearing.
For the waive the defendant's presence, what's your pleasure?
Judge, I'd like to set this for an in-person preliminary exam, please.
How is July 12th at 9:30?
That works for me, Judge.
July 12th, 9:30, bond will be continued.
Thank you, Judge. Just for the record, I do have paper discovery. I'm missing digital discovery. So if Ms. Drain could check their system and send that over, I would appreciate it.
Yes, I have it. I'll send it right over.
Okay, thank you. Nothing else for me, Judge.
Okay, have a good day, sir.
You too.
Mr. Collins. Harold Collins.
Good morning. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, sir. How are you doing today?
Good to see you.
You're here on the office, Thomas, is that right?
Yes. He was supposed to be logged in, but we can go ahead, Judge.
Okay.
Calling case number 2305-672801. For the state of Michigan versus the office Thomas. Defendant is charged in count 1, assault with the intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder by strangulation. Count 2, assault with dangerous weapon. Count 3, weapons, firearm, possession by felon. Counts 4, 5, and 6, weapons, felony, firearm. Count 7, domestic violence. Count 8, child abuse, 4th degree. Defendant has a habitual offender with offense notice.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
And good morning, Your Honor. Harold Collins, P56805, on behalf of Mr. Theophilus Thomas, who is not present on the Zoom screen. I'd ask the court to allow me to waive his appearance for the purpose of this hearing.
For the waive the defendant's presence, what's your pleasure?
Judge, we'd like to set an exam date in this matter.
How is July 12th at 9:45?
Judge, can we go a little later in the morning?
July 12th at 11?
Sounds good.
July 12th at 11 o'clock, bond will be continued.
Judge, I do need Ms. Drain. She did send me paper discovery. I need to get the digital discovery.
And I will send that to you.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day, Mr. Collins.
Okay, thank you, Judge. See you soon.
Alyssa Segura.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. What can I do for you?
Hold on.
Sorry. I am here on Marvin Hall.
Okay.
I think he's in the waiting room.
You also have McLaurin?
I'm sorry.
Do you also have McLaurin?
I don't believe so. Does it say that I'm on that case?
Yes, Ronald McLaurin.
Oh, yes. I have it marked as tomorrow, but if it's today, I can do it.
It's today.
Okay, that's fine.
Marvin Hall, calling case number 2305-711901. People of the state of Michigan versus Marvin Hall. Defendant is charged in count 1, assault with a dangerous weapon. Count 2, domestic violence.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
And good morning, Your Honor. Alyssa Segura with the Neighborhood Defender Service on behalf of Mr. Hall, P86432. And I do not believe he is on the screen, so I would ask that I waive his appearance. I am in contact with him.
For the waive the defendant's presence, what's your pleasure?
I would like to set this for an in-person preliminary examination.
How is July 12th at 9:45?
Is there any way that we can do it the Tuesday before or the Thursday after?
Those are my homicide days.
Oh, okay. Well, that's not this. I guess that's fine. You said
July 12th,
at 9:45?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. And if I can address a discovery issue with Ms. Drain. And I can email this to you too, Ms. Drain, but it looks like all that was sent over. I did receive the digital and the paper, but in the paper, it's just the investigator's report. I don't know if you have the report, I believe from Officer George Clark from like the original offense date, but if you could just check with your OIC to see if that's available, I would appreciate that.
Yes, that's already on my list because I don't have it anywhere either. So, yes.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Warren.
Calling case number 2305-732001, people of the state of Michigan versus Ronald McClure. Defendant is charged in count 1, weapons and possession by felon. Count 2, domestic violence. Defendant has a habitual weapons notice.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drink for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. Alyssa Segura with the Neighborhood Defender Service on behalf of Mr. McLaren, P86432.
And what's your
And
pleasure?
I do not believe he is on the Zoom, so I would ask to waive his appearance for this hearing.
For the waive the defendant's presence, what's your pleasure?
I would ask to set this for an in-person preliminary examination.
How's July 12th at 10 o'clock?
That's fine, Your Honor.
It's July 12th at 10 o'clock, bond will be continued.
Thank you so much.
You have a good day.
Thank you, you too.
Mr. Bazzi. Mr. Bazzi, are you still here? Mr. Bazzi going once?
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning, sir.
Judge, I'm here on Sajjad Aliyashi. I believe he's on Zoom.
I don't see him. Oh, yes, I do. Yes, he's here.
See him? Okay.
Calling case number 2305-747001. People of the state of Michigan versus Sajjad Al-Jayashi. Defendant is charged in count 1, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, manslaughter by strangulation. Count 2, domestic violence.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drink for the people, P number 60249.
And good morning, Your Honor. Hassan Bazi, P78448, on behalf of Mr. Al-Hajaji, who is present via Zoom. Mr. Al-Hajaji, can you state your name? Judge, I don't see him. Is he the one that's trying to connect?
Or his video.
Okay, well, Judge, my client's gonna need an interpreter regardless, so this is the first BCC I'll ask to waive his presence. He's in my office. I know my partner is there, so I know for a fact he's there. He's on a GPS tether, so I'm gonna ask to waive my client's presence and set this for an in-person exam.
All right, we will waive the defendant's presence, continue to plea of not guilty, and set this matter for preliminary examination. How is July 12th at 10:15?
Judge, I'm gonna ask for either a later date, later time for that, because we have trial in Oakland County, me and my partner.
Yeah, what?
He's got a trial in Oakland County, and I'm gonna be in Wayne County all morning. So if we could do it like early afternoon or following week,
July 12th at 1:30.
July 12th at 1:30 is fine. Judge, may I discuss a matter with regards to his tether?
Is that an Arabic interpreter he needs?
Iraqi dialogue.
Right.
Ms. Drain, I don't know if you're gonna be on this case. We also need discovery if you can send it to us.
Yep, I will send it. I had a different defense counsel listed that I sent it to.
Yeah,
I'll
we're
send it to
retained
you
on this
today.
case. Yeah,
Very
thank you.
good. I'll send it to you today.
And Judge, may I discuss some bond issues?
Okay, what?
He's currently on a time restraint tether where he can only go back and forth. I think it's from 8 o'clock till 4 o'clock. He works at a local grocery market where they have multiple locations. So sometimes he'll be working until like 10 o'clock at night. So I'm gonna ask to remove the time restraints, but you can keep the GPS tether. He lives in a total different city than the alleged victim here.
People?
I don't have any objection to that.
Send over an order to that effect.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day to your staff. Thank you.
Ms. Nelson, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
What are you here on?
I'm here on Devontae Lane. I got a voicemail from APA Federac this morning that we were to appear on our. I assume it's on our request for an adjournment, Your Honor.
Okay. So
Calling case number 2305-716801. People state of Michigan versus Devontae Lane. Defendant is charged in count 1 homicide murder, first degree premeditated. Counts 2 and 3 assault with intent to murder. Counts 4, 5, and 6 weapons held with firearm.
appearances for the record, please.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Mark Fedoruk for the people, P76177.
Good morning, Your Honor. Sophia Nelson of Neighborhood Defender Service on behalf of Mr. Lane, P77960. I'm second chairing this matter. Hannah Barron is lead counsel. She's not present right now. She's in trial in Third Circuit in front of Judge Gillis right now.
Okay.
We requested an adjournment in this matter, Your Honor, because there's very voluminous discovery, and for whatever reason, it was too large to be sent via evidence.com. So I was able to go to the prosecutor's office with an external hard drive and obtain it. And reviewing what I obtained on Tuesday, or I guess it was Monday afternoon, from the prosecutor's office, it's a great amount of video that was not in the original download we got from evidence.com. It's hours and hours of video that we need to watch in order to be prepared for the exam. So we're not going to be prepared to proceed on Thursday. We believe we'd be ineffective if we were to proceed to the exam on Thursday. We'd ask for a brief adjournment.
Mr. Fedor,
The people don't have any objection.
how was July 11th at 1:30?
One moment, Your Honor. To pull up Ms. Barron's schedule.
That works for the people, Your Honor.
That works for the defense as well, Your Honor.
July 11th at 1:30, the case will be adjourned to. Court finds good cause for the adjournment.
1:30 or 11:30, Your Honor?
I can do either one. Does 11:30 work better?
No, 1:30 is perfect. Thank you.
Okay, 1:30 it is.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day. Have a good day, counsel.
You too.
Ms. James.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
I have Manfred Thomas.
I think we did Manfred Thomas already. Are you retained on that?
Nope, I'm appointed on Mr. Thomas.
Cody Bradford came in and set a preliminary exam for July 12th at 9:30.
Who did?
Cody Bradford from NDS.
Okay, I'll check into it, but I know for sure I was appointed because he has 2 other cases in front of Judge Giles.
Okay, so does the July 12th at 9:30 work for you?
Judge, it does not. I can do the 10th, or he has cases on the 5th in front of Judge Giles.
Why don't you get with Mr. Bradford and see what's going on?
Okay. Okay, I'll check into it, Judge. Thank you.
All right.
Okay.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, sir. How you doing today?
Doing great. Good to see you. I got Miss Simone Powell.
Okay, we're waiting on Ms. Powell's attorney.
Okay, no problem.
He's asking to draw.
Hey there, Mr. Muhammad.
Good morning, Judge.
What you out there doing?
I'm on the top of the Alps in Switzerland, Judge. You want to see the snow?
Goodness gracious. You don't get enough of that here?
I'm about to zip line, me and my daughter.
Be careful, man, okay?
It's a once in a lifetime. Thank you.
All right, so you're here on Ormsby, correct? You ever get anything resolved in that, Ms. Drain?
No, they want to offer us domestic violence. Imagine that, but we're not going to take it. So we just want to bound over, Judge, and we'll do our thing next door.
So Judge, I was able to get the amended information. I spoke with my supervisor. I spoke with the prosecutor who handled the appeal in front of Judge Knapp. So I was able to get an amended information which reflected what Judge Knapp stated on the record. So I would just ask also that it just be bound over today and proceed over at Circuit Court.
And Judge, I'm sorry.
Have we eyes and crossed our T's on that? We had the officer in charge sign off on it and all that good stuff that had to be done?
No, I asked about that, of how to proceed on that, but because nothing has changed. Nothing has changed with the substance of what is contained in the investigator report and all the police reports. The only thing that has changed is that the charge is now considered a lesser included of the original charges. So the amendment is just the lesser included. So
CSC is a lesser included of CSC 1?
That's what I was told. Yes, because it is the exact same information. The only thing that it doesn't include is the end part that says "and caused injury." That's the only change.
So that would be a different element.
And Judge, I have no objection. I think I told you what my strategy was, and it's just a circuit court so-called overturn of your decision, which doesn't mean much. So we're gonna put an end to it. So I just want a waiver or a bind over so I can do something with that phone.
Calling case number 2106-229601, established versus Anthony Ormsby. Defendant is charged in the amended information in count 1, 2, and 3, criminal sexual conduct, 3rd degree.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Your Honor. Nijad Mihana appearing on behalf of Mr. Ormsby, P 59371.
Okay, so this matter is back before the court on a remand, which, if I haven't made a record, I'll make a record on it now. I think this case came back before me is an error in that it was appealed to 3rd Circuit Court. I dismissed the criminal sexual conduct in the 1st degree. The appellate court, so to speak, 3rd Circuit Court, overturned my decision, not reinstating the 1st degree criminal sexual conduct, but reinstating the case on a lesser included criminal sexual conduct in the 3rd degree, of which I don't recall if the people had even asked for the court to consider binding over on that charge instead. So in effect, I believe the circuit court has inadvertently affirmed my decision to dismiss the criminal sexual conduct in the 1st degree by not reinstating that original charge, but it's bringing or binding over on a criminal sexual conduct on the 3rd degree, which makes no sense. I'm being ordered to bind over on the 3rd degree criminal sexual conduct. So, in as much as I believe this is an error, defense counsel has indicated to me that this case is going nowhere anyway, and that they don't have a complaining witness that is cooperating. The case is likely going to be dismissed, and the most expedient way of going about this is to bind it over so the case can get dismissed, as opposed to waiting on an appeal to the court, Michigan Court of Appeals, and let them overturn the Third Circuit Court. In any event, I'm sick and tired of this case, so I'm going to find this matter over, although I do not find that people have met their burden of probable cause. Defense counsel does not object, and the prosecution doesn't object either. So who am I? The arraignment on the information, date and time will be July 12th at 9 o'clock. On the continued.
Thank you, Judge, and I would object to your statement, who am I? Because you know I respect you, and I think the prosecutor respects you as well, Judge. We are
Yes.
just trying to get rid of this case expeditiously because my client actually has to, you know, work and everything else. This is affect him. I think that's why we're doing this, Judge. You know we love you.
You just make it back in one piece, young man. That's in order.
Thank you. I'll see you guys. Be safe. Thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Beauty of cell phones and Zoom. He's in Switzerland.
I know, right? Wow. Oh, nice.
How you doing, Your Honor?
Doing good. How about yourself?
All right.
What's up with this air out there?
No.
Maybe you don't want to breathe.
I know, right? It's terrible.
Mr. O, good morning.
Morning, Judge.
You're here on Mays.
Yes, Judge, I have two additional matters as well.
What's the two additional matters?
I believe Simone Powell.
Withdrawn Powell, right?
Yes, and also Mr. Sajid Al-Jayashi.
He has an attorney. He already put that.
I'm sorry, Judge.
Mr. Vazzi retained in on that.
Understood. Thank you.
Ready on Mays.
Calling case number 2305-692501, Real State Michigan versus Adam Mays II. Defendant is charged in count one, assault with the intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder by strangulation, count two, domestic violence, further offense, count three, assist crime, intimidating, interfere. The victim has a habitual offender for the offense notice.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Judge. Gleno with NDS PA 3424, appearing on behalf of Mr. Mays, who is logged in under the waiting room.
I'm sorry, what did you say?
Mr. Mays should be logged into the waiting room.
He's not using his name if he is. What is he logged in as?
I just texted him, Judge. Is there an iPhone in the waiting room?
There's a Motorola, a Max West NXA10R, and Katrina Johnson.
Judge, can we pass on the matter and do Ms. Powell first? Mr. Mays does want to be present for this hearing.
Okay. Okay, here's Mr. Mays now.
Mr. Mays, please unmute yourself and state your name. Mr. Mays, please state your name.
How you doing?
What's your name?
My name is Adam Mays.
What's your pleasure, Mr. O?
Judge, I believe we're here upon the people's request.
Yes, that's correct, Your Honor. I am asking for an adjournment. This matter is actually scheduled for an exam on Friday. I did contact the complainant and speak with her, and she indicated to me that she is not available on Friday. So this is why I am requesting an adjournment ahead of the exam date.
Why is she not available?
Because she has to work and she could not get out of work for this. If given another date, she can give her employment more notice.
Mr. O?
Judge, I spoke to Mr. Mays about the people's request, and Mr. Mays does object. We're asking the court to keep the exam date on Friday.
So court takes precedent over work. They can't hold that against her when she's being summoned to court.
Okay. I will let her know, Judge.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
If she needs anything from the court, let me know.
All right, thank you.
All right, Mr. Mays, you can sign off. We'll see you on Friday.
See you.
ready.
Powell, calling case number 2305-748601, the State of Michigan versus Simone Powell. Defendant is charged in count 1, assault with intent to do regularly earn less than murder by strangulation. Count 2, assault with intent to weapon. Count 3, malicious destruction of the building, 1,000 more but less than 20,000. Count 4, domestic violence.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
Good morning, Judge Glenna with NDS P83424, appearing on behalf of Ms. Powell.
Ms. Powell, tell us your name for the record.
Simone Powell.
Mr. O.
Thank you, Judge. We submitted an email to this court and the prosecutor yesterday notifying the court that NDS has a conflict. So we are making a motion to withdraw.
Okay, that motion will be granted. And we've already called ahead for assigned counsel to be assigned to Ms. Powell. We're just waiting on you to show up.
Understood, Judge. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Have a good day.
You as well.
I'm lost. So what happened?
Yes.
What happened? I'm sorry. I can't really hear.
Well, we've assigned you another attorney because there was a conflict of interest with the old attorney. So you're gonna get a new attorney. And when that attorney gets here, I'll give him the opportunity to speak to you, okay?
Okay. So I'm done?
No, you have to wait on your attorney.
Okay.
And I'll put you in a breakout room so you can speak to them.
Okay.
We got one PCC waiting to return at this time.
I'm not doing it.
Okay. That's good.
Okay. All right. Yeah. All right.
Mr. Mankin?
Yes.
Good morning, sir. Are you here for Ms. Powell?
Yes.
All right, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with you so you can speak to her real quick, okay?
Okay, I don't know really anything about much about the case, so I don't have any discovery.
Understood, but I'm gonna let you speak to her. Maybe she can tell you her version of what's going on.
Okay, thank you.
Did you say this client would have this tether removed? It was just adjusting. This is the same somebody. Work at a store. Not that. No, that was. That was the person. What's that for? That feels like.
Shelley's case, Shelley Drain, is this your Powell your case?
Yes, this is my case.
Okay, so on Powell, I need discovery.
Yes, I'll send it to you.
Okay, and then we're just gonna set this for an exam right now.
There's no time.
May I discuss, Iraqi dialogue? We also need discovery.
I was in a different, different person.
Yeah, we're listening to this case. And Judge, may I discuss about this one? He's currently on a time restraint, other, where he can only go back and forth with legals from 8 o'clock till 4 o'clock. He works at an old grocery market where they have multiple locations, so sometimes he'll be working for like 10 o'clock at night. So I'm gonna ask him to remove the time restraints, but he could GPS by the way. He lives in a totally different city from his lecture.
I don't have any objection to that.
Okay, Mr. Macon, thank you so much.
Yes, we're all set. We're gonna set it for exam.
Okay. Okay.
Calling case number 2305-748601. People of the state of Michigan versus Simone Powell. Defendant is charged in count 1, assault with intent to do great bodily harm, less than murder or strangulation. Count 2, assault with a dangerous weapon. Count 3, malicious destruction of building, 1,000 more or less than 20,000. Count 4, domestic violence.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
And good morning, Your Honor. Steve Mencken, P 31562. I'm appearing on behalf of Simone Powell.
Ms. Powell, tell us your name for the record.
Simone Powell.
What's your pleasure, Mr. Mitchell?
We're going to set this matter for a preliminary exam.
All right, the court will continue the plea of not guilty. We'll set this matter for preliminary examination. Online. Now is July 10th at 9:45.
July 10th at 9:45.
Yeah, I can do that. July 10th at 9:45, bond will be considered. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Have a good day. You too. You all set, Ms. Powell?
Thank you.
Call me when you get out, Ms. Powell.
Well done, thank you. I'm done.
And we are down to the clock.
Thank you.
All right. Well, by then, maybe get it. Add on.
You want me to grab that for you, Judge?
No, don't worry about that.
Okay, I have a quick question for you, if that's all right. I appeared for a case for a PCC this morning, and apparently it was a clerical error that it was assigned to my case, to my office. It should have gone to Nicole James. She did call me this morning. We set it for a preliminary exam. Do we just need to do a substitution form? How would you like to proceed? Because she should have the case.
That's on Thomas.
Thomas Manfred, yes.
Okay, we actually have her in the system as the attorney.
Okay, I was
Have
just,
anything to do.
okay, just because I'm here this morning, I want to make sure we were clear. Thank you.
Okay. I need to see her though, because she said that date that you set isn't a good date for it.
Okay, I know she's in trial today, but I'll give her a call and let her know.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Gentlemen, how you doing, Your Honor? All right, how about yourself? I'm blessed. The Lord woke me up. Amen.
Ross, September. We had 13. Okay, one big. All these Virgos, yeah. Better than Leo. My daughter's a Leo.
Manuel Sol Take it you don't have a witness, Ms. Green.
Yes, that's correct. And I did let defense counsel know as well.
All right.
Starting route to Detroit Opera House.
Okay, here comes Mr. Coach now. We're ready for the
Still here.
Mr. Coach, you're not being a distracted driver, are you?
Not really. I'm just letting the court know that I should be back downtown in about 10 minutes. It's my understanding this matter is going to be dismissed.
Can you pull over for a second and let us do that?
I am on the expressway. Let me see if I can get to one of these exits, Judge.
Okay.
All right. All right, I'm ready, Judge.
All right, looks like you're still moving. I'll wait till you come to a complete stop. Okay. Calling case 2357252 for the state of Michigan versus Hector Manuel Oliva Zayas. Finished charged with count 1 assault with potential to great bodily harm, less than murder or by strangulation. Count 2 domestic violence. Defendant has an additional 24 defense notice. Appearances for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Shelley Drain for the people, P number 60249.
May it please this honorable court, Larry Polk on behalf of Mr. Olivo Zayas, who is present in the courtroom. Mr. Olivo Zayas, would you state your name for the record?
Hector Manuel Olivo Zayas.
Hector Manuel Olivo Zayas.
Tell me your name for the record, ma'am.
Yo, mi name is Emma Hernandez, es CAO Qualified Spanish Interpreter.
Please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to translate from English to Spanish and Spanish to English to the best of your ability?
I do, Your Honor.
Thank you very much. All right, there's the date and time set for preliminary examination. Are we ready to proceed?
Your Honor, I am not able to proceed at this time.
With that being said, Judge, I'd ask that the matter be dismissed. It's a dismissal without prejudice.
So, or the court will dismiss this matter without prejudice.
And just so I could put on the record, the complainant is a Ms. Elizabeth Uceda. She was notified of today's hearing and she has chosen not to come.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank
All
you.
right. Yes.
Ms. Hernandez, have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you. Sign back over.
Dr. for today. Hope to see you tomorrow, same bad time, same bad station. Have a good day.